Elemental exploration. Can you answer 20 easy chemistry questions? Lifeshouts.com. Are you ready? What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? OC. O. What is the atomic number of carbon? 6, 10, 8. 6. Which element is a noble gas? Helium, chlorine, sodium. Helium. What is the chemical formula for water? H2O, H2O2. O. H2O. What is the symbol for gold? Ag, O, Am. O. Which element is essential for combustion to occur? Oxygen, carbon, nitrogen. Oxygen. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Fe, Fetu, Fe. Fe. How many electrons does hydrogen have? 2, 1, 3. 1. Which element is the most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. Nitrogen. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Sn, so, Na. Na. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 6, 7, 8. 8. Which element is known as the universal solvent? Sodium, water, hydrogen. Water. What is the chemical symbol for carbon dioxide? CO3, CO4, CO2. Carbon dioxide. What is the atomic number of helium? 5, 4, 2. 2. Which element has the chemical symbol K? Platinum, potassium, calcium. Potassium. What is the chemical formula for table salt? HCl, NaCl, NaO. Sodium chloride. Which element is commonly used in batteries? Lithium, sodium, chlorine. Lithium. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Ag. Ag. How many protons does carbon have? 12, 10, 6. 6. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. Make sure to like and subscribe.